The moon. Hello and welcome to this video on some facts about the moon. The moon has captivated humans for centuries, inspiring art, literature, and even scientific discoveries. As Earth's only natural satellite, the moon has been studied extensively, and yet it still holds mysteries and unanswered questions. In this video, we will explore some interesting facts about the moon, including its composition, phases, and more. The moon, our closest neighbor. The moon is the fifth largest moon in our solar system and is the closest natural satellite to Earth. It has a diameter of about 3,474 kilometers and is about 1/4 the size of Earth. It is approximately 384,400 kilometers away from Earth and takes about 27.3 days to orbit Earth. The moon's surface is covered in craters, mountains, and flat plains, or maria, formed by ancient volcanic activity. The moon's gravity is about 1/6 of Earth's, which means that objects weigh less on the moon than they do on Earth. Phases of the moon. As the moon orbits Earth, we see different portions of it illuminated by the sun, causing it to go through phases. The phases of the moon include the new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, third quarter, and waning crescent. New moon. The moon is not visible from Earth because the side facing us is not illuminated. Waxing crescent. The moon is partially illuminated, with less than half visible. First quarter. The moon is half illuminated, with the right side visible in the northern hemisphere and the left side visible in the southern hemisphere. Waxing gibbous. The moon is more than half illuminated but not yet full. Full moon. The entire face of the moon is illuminated and visible from Earth. Waning gibbous. The moon is more than half illuminated but is now decreasing in illumination. Third quarter. The moon is half illuminated, with the left side visible in the northern hemisphere and the right side visible in the southern hemisphere. Waning crescent. The moon is partially illuminated, with less than half visible. Frequently asked questions. Why does the moon appear to change shape? As the moon orbits Earth, the sun illuminates different parts of it, causing the appearance of different shapes or phases. How long does it take for the moon to go through all its phases? The lunar cycle, or the time it takes for the moon to go through all its phases, is about 29.5 days. What is a blue moon? A blue moon is a term used to describe the second full moon in a calendar month. Can we see the same side of the moon from Earth all the time? No. We can only see about 50% of the moon's surface from Earth because of its synchronous rotation, meaning the same side always faces us. Why does the moon sometimes look bigger than usual? This is known as a supermoon, and occurs when the moon is at its closest point to Earth in its orbit. What is a lunar eclipse? A lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth passes between the sun and the moon, causing the moon to enter the Earth's shadow and appear reddish in color. Why doesn't the moon have an atmosphere? The moon does not have an atmosphere because its gravity is not strong enough to hold onto gases. Can people live on the moon? Living on the moon is currently not possible due to the lack of resources, harsh environment, and other challenges. Has anyone walked on the moon? Yes, 12 astronauts have walked on the moon as part of NASA's Apollo program. In conclusion, the moon is a fascinating celestial object that has been an object of wonder and fascination for humans for thousands of years. Its presence has a significant impact on our planet, from the tides to the way we measure time. Despite being the closest object to Earth in our solar system, there is still much we have yet to learn and discover about the moon. It remains a captivating symbol of mystery and inspiration, reminding us of the vastness and complexity of the universe around us. Like the video and remember to subscribe to our channel.